Oppo company launched a new smartphone in India. In today's video, I am going to tell you about another new smartphone of Oppo. So watch the entire the video. If you like the video, then like the video and subscribe to the channel. Jai Surviran Banka. So let's start the video. So the name of this smartphone is Oppo K14X 5G. If I talk about its battery, then it is 6500 mAh battery. If I talk about its rear camera, then it is two rear camera, 50 plus 2 megapixel, two rear camera. If I talk about its front camera, then it is 5 megapixel front camera. If I talk about its processor, then it is MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor. If I talk about its sensor, then it is fingerprint sensor, proximity sensor and other sensor. Inside you can see. If I talk about its IP rating, then it is IP64 IP rating. If I talk about its refresh rate, then it is 120 Hz refresh rate. If I talk about its display size, then it is 6.75 inches display size. If I talk about its mobile color, then it is two color this smartphone. If I talk about its operating system, then it is Android 15. Inside you can see. If I talk about its SIM card slot, then it is two SIM card slot this mobile phone. If I talk about its mobile price, then it is 14,999 rupees this mobile price. If I talk about its connectivity, then it is Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, USB Type-C. You can see all these features inside it. If I talk about its mobile weight, then it is 212 gram mobile weight and FHD plus display this mobile phone. So how was the video? If you like the video, then like the video and subscribe to the channel.